and merge them at the center. Unhide everything now. And now, since we don't have these elsewhere, we'll just delete these. Grab this. Extrude it forward. Scale it on the Y. Bring it down on the Y. Extrude it one more time. Scale it down on the Y. Slide it down a little bit. Final extrusion. Merge at center. Bring it forward. Now, fix that one. Okay, let's fix the non-existent sole of the foot now. So we're going to select the inverse and hide. And we're just going to add in faces. So select vertices and hit the F key on the keyboard. To add in a face. Like so. It is a rather easy process, but a process nonetheless that needs doing. And there we go. Unhide everything, and that looks anything but like a foot. So that's what we get to work on next. And basically what it comes down to is scaling it out in places and in other places. Grab the back part of the foot there, and we will scale that out like that. And now in for the actual heel. And that looks decent. Let's punch the entire thing out a bit on the X. That should do it. Okay, let's slide this over and grab these. You can extrude it down one time and then another, and that saves us from having to do the additional edge, loop, as we've done before. And now we've got 10 here, and can I say 6 there that we can work with? So we're going to add some vertices in. There. And there. And then the same thing over here. There. And there. Now let's get rid of this edge. And there's 10. There's 10. Hide everything else, and now we get to join them. So merge at center for all of them. Have this done real quick. It's really an easy process to build a character. Just takes a little bit of time. You have to make your own reference images, of course, but that's part of the fun. So there we go. Now, what I like to do is add in a modifier, because this isn't it. We can make it look a whole lot nicer with just one subdivision surface. There we go. So that's how it's going to be. And I like to just do that to check on everything, make sure it's looking the way I want it to. What we really want to do, though, is add in a mirror modifier. And see what that did. We now don't have to worry about putting in that other half manually. We can hide our reference images. And if we apply, we now just have some vertices to merge together. Hide everything that we don't need. And get things merged. Nearly got it. So that gives that. Need to adjust this expand this just a little bit. Pull each of them up. Kind of helps define things in the back. And straighten things up in the front. Just enough. And now if we add in our subdivision surface modifier, we can see we have a decent looking body from which to work. But we're not going to do that just yet. We've still got some work to do here on the neck. Scale this in on the X. And now I'm not going to add in the head just yet, but I am going to make a neck here. Just so it's there. And so we know what we're dealing with when we come back for the next video. There we have our character's start, and we'll pick it up from here next time. Hey there everyone, just wanted to thank you all for watching this video, and if you did enjoy it, remember to give me a like and a subscribe if you are so inclined. Also, I do have a Patreon. The links are in the description below. You can have your name in the credits here as well.